Okay, so what you all just saw was slow motion video with the help of AI shot on the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. Now, for those of you who don't know, the Galaxy S24 Ultra now has a feature called Instant Slow-Mo. And I'm not talking about going into the camera app and opening up that slow motion video mode. No, I'm talking about recording regular video at 4K 30 frames per second and slowing it down. Now, some of you may know, some of you may not know, but when you record video at 4K 30 frames per second and then put it into a video editor and try slowing it down, it's going to seem a bit choppy to slow the video down. That's because it starts skipping frames in order to slow down that video. But with the instant slow-mo, let me go ahead and go into a video here that we just saw. So with this instant slow-mo, it's actually using the help of AI to keep the video nice and smooth while still slowing it down, so you're not seeing those skipped frames. So basically, the AI is filling in those empty frames to give you a nice slow motion effect. So this video right here was recorded at 4K 30 frames per second. All I got to do to see what it's going to look like in slow motion, tap and hold, and boom, look at that. It slows the video down, still keeping it nice and smooth. It is filling in those frames so you don't get that choppy slow motion, even though this is recorded at 4K 30 frames per second. Now, yes, you can go and record at 4K 60 frames per second and then slow it down 50% to get that 4K 30 and, you know, that nice slow motion video effect. But why do all of that when you can simply keep recording at 4K 30 and not have to switch in between, you know, 4K 30 or 4K 60 in your camera app? Just leave it at 4K 30, record what you want to record, and slow down what you want to slow down while still keeping it smooth with the help of AI. So if you like what you see when, you know, it comes to just using that instant slow-mo with the video right here, if you like it, then you can actually go in, press the pencil up there at the top. You can adjust the speed, and this is what it was showing us right here, down to a quarter. You can set it at 1/2 if you want. You can set the amount that you want slow down of the video, and then just simply save it, and it's going to save what we just saw using that instant slow-mo. So let me go ahead and let this save really quick. All right, almost there. There we go, 100%. And now some videos are going to take longer than others, you know, depending on how much slow motion you want in your video. Like I said, you can, you know, just put a little portion of that video that you want slow down, or the whole entire video. And this is what we are going to get. So let me go ahead and fast forward here a little bit. There we go. And look at how smooth that is. Just like what you guys saw at the beginning of this video. AI definitely doing its part by helping to slow down this video. I didn't have to go and put it into a video editor to slow it down and then save it. I was able to do it right here from the photo app. Just, you know, click that little pencil up top, like I said, choose the speed that you want, and boom, save it right there. And it is slowed down exactly the way I wanted it to. But y'all let me know what you think down in the comment sections below. Look at this, I'm about to make this shot right here at the Dude Perfect Studios. Boom, look at that. So this was actually at the Samsung Galaxy Creative Collective event that I went to just last week. And it was just super fun. I had a great time. And that is kind of where I learned about this instant slow-mo. I kind of already knew about it before, but I did not know that it was getting the help from AI in order to slow, you know, the video down. But y'all let me know what you think down in the comment sections below. If you did like this video and find it helpful, make sure to give it a huge thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that bell for notifications so you're not missing out on any other future videos to come. Thank you all so very much for watching. This is Josh Quinones. I will see you on the next one. Peace out.